to stay in and rent out. But lots of local folks are offering up their homes on those sites without realizing the regulations behind them. The Public Health Department is trying to change that, though. Our Amanda Quintana has that story.
It was just difficult to pay the bills all the time. So I'm a real organizer, and I think I'm a natural host. And this Airbnb thing kind of popped up.
5 years ago, Sam Crownover and her family began listing their Madison home on Airbnb. Now she's considered a superhost. The family leaves and rents out the whole home for 30 nights a year, and this room is constantly booked.
Almost every single night, we have a single person here.
Although she went through all the right steps to get a license, others weren't.
There were very low licensing rates because a lot of people didn't even know this was a part of it. Airbnb doesn't make a huge effort to explain that.
In August of last year, of the estimated 500 Madison hosts on sites like Airbnb, only 11% were licensed, and only they were getting inspected for basic levels of health and safety and paying regulation fees.
We were charging the same amount as other people, and then we had to pay taxes out of that. Now everybody gets taxes placed on top of it, so we're all in a level playing field. That's much better.
Public Health Madison and Dane County has worked to increase the amount licensed to now 68%, creating a one-stop shop on their new website with all the necessary boxes to check.
The number of short-term rentals have been really dropping, and the number of licenses have been going up.
Closing the gap, weeding out unsafe, unregulated rentals, making it a little easier for others to experience the joy hosting a stranger brings Crownover.
They want to know, what's this neighborhood like? What's Madison like? And they can't get that from a front desk clerk at a hotel.
She hopes to make the world a little smaller, one visitor at a time.
It spreads compassion, which I think is what we need more of these days.
Amanda Quintana, WISC News 3.
Among those regulations, things like making sure the necessary amenities are offered in the rental. By the way, Madison hosts can only rent their whole house out for 30 days a year.